What does it mean to be responsible? In the town of Bumblebrook, sunny and wide, lived a bright boy named Finn, full of laughter and pride. He zipped on his scooter, he zipped down the street, but chores and clean up, he'd much rather retreat. Pick up your socks, his big sister would shout. Your backpack is crusty, your dishes have slime, and don't even ask where your turtle is this time. Finn flopped on the floor with a sandwich and jam, then sighed. Responsibility? No thanks, ma'am. I'd rather play games or invent flying cheese or teach my stuffed walrus to juggle with ease. But then came a chirp, a shuffle, a squeak. From a sock pile, out popped a creature mid-speak. It wore tiny glasses and had leafy green hair and said, I'm Niblet the gnome. There's a mess everywhere. Niblet stood tall, well, 4 inches or so, with a mop made of yarn and a broom made of dough. You've got socks in your soup and a comb in your stew. There's glitter in places where glitter should not go too. Finn laughed. Ha 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 ha! I like mess. It's my personal flair. Niblet replied, but who'll clean it? The air? Being responsible doesn't mean no fun. It's watering plants when the sun starts to bake and feeding your pets before feeding your cake. It's brushing your teeth and combing your hair and making sure shoes aren't left on the stair. Finn looked at his turtle named Sir Shelley McZoom, who was nibbling crayons in the laundry room. He sighed and he nodded. Okay, little dude. I guess it's more helpful to show gratitude. Finn, who loves his turtle, Sir Shelley McZoom, cleans his room with a whistle and spin, folding 3 shirts while the rest are playfully stuffed into a drawer. That night in his bed, under blankets galore, Finn smiled at the ceiling and dreamt of chores. Not the boring kind. He had dragons to train, who tidied their caves with marshmallow rain. What do you think the moral of the story was? The moral was, being responsible means doing your share, whether it's homework or picking up underwear. It's helping, it's trying, it's giving your best, and making your world just a little less mess.